I gotta adjust my mirror. Hold on. You're supposed to adjust your mirrors. I look stupid.
You look stupid? Why?
I don't know. It's just the helmet. This is the way my... I don't know. I don't know. It's fine. I'm having a moment. I'm fine.
Do you not like that helmet?
What do you mean? Honestly, I think it's my hair. My hair is like pushing it up. I'm used to it being more like down on my forehead, but it's not staying because
Yeah,
my
it's kind
hair
of
is
tilted
up
backwards
here.
a little bit.
And it's... Do you have a hair bow? You know you love me.
I know that as a dad of 3 girls in the house, I've always got hair bows in my truck. Until I cleaned out my truck and I probably got rid of them. Oh no.
That'll be my luck. That's okay. I can always try and rock it with the hair down.
I've got hair bows. Look, I have a whole package in here. I had a whole package.
I know.
There they
You used
are.
to have a bunch on like your
I've got the whole
shifter,
package.
but that was your old truck.
I've got the whole package. Because how often did I hear, Dad, can you roll up the windows? My hair's blowing all over my face. So I always kept hair bows in the truck. And I still do, Emma, after all these years.
I know. Because you're a very thoughtful human being.
I'm a very thoughtful human
Are
being.
you recording this whole thing? Oh, great. Thanks.
This is one of those life videos, Emma. It's one of those life videos.
It's you capturing like a full-blown like ADHD autistic like meltdown because my hair is not sitting just right.
I can cut out some of it.
No, it's fine.
Okay. Viewers,
We're not fake people over here.
we're not. Viewers are going to get what they get.
Pretty much. See, now it looks better. It feels better because it's actually on my forehead where it's supposed to be and not up in my hairline that's 5 miles long.
I agree. Oh, Toby got excited. He thought we were going somewhere. He just jumped up over there like, what? We going somewhere? Sorry, Toby.
I feel like I should be wearing a
buddy.
seatbelt or something. Just the kind of style chair it is. I feel like there should be like a seatbelt or something that comes across.
I've got a bungee cord.
I'm okay.
You want me to bungee you in?
No, I'm okay.
All right.
Don't get stung by the wasp. Is there a car coming? I
No,
don't know if
you're
that's
fine.
just the traffic from the road that I'm hearing.
Yeah, you're fine.
It's not bad. It's smooth. Go! There we go.
She could be talking right now, and I'd be talking over her voice. I don't know if her mic is still going to be picked up by the camera because she went around the corner, but you know, you never know. But in the meantime, we'll just try to fill in some narrative here. Emma's trying out the new HP Velotechnik Delta TX that we acquired. Trying to sell it for a friend here in the area. $12,000 recumbent bike. Selling it for half price, maybe a little less if you're interested. She must be enjoying it. She didn't bring it right back, you know. Yeah.
All right, put this
Where you at,
in
Emma?
3 and see what this does.
Emma, where you at?
Oh, that's better. That still really hurts, though.
She is. And there she goes.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, I'll try to entertain you while we let the camera roll. Just in case she's talking, I guess. Or not. Yeah. Emma. She must be enjoying it, for sure. Some people enjoy it, some people don't. So, you know, one thing about this, when I first got on it, I said, you know, I didn't expect to enjoy it at all. It's like, you know, this thing is just dumb. I don't, not for me. And I rode it the first time and I thought, wow, this is crazy fun. Then my buddy Ron, who you see on the channel fairly often, I asked him if he would ride it. He said, "No, I'm not interested. Not interested." I had to kind of coach him along a little bit. Say, "Come on, Ron, try it, try it, try it, try it." He said, he wasn't interested. And finally, he said, "All right, Richard." He sat on it, took off down the street, came back and said, "Well, this is actually kind of fun." Here she comes. Zoom.
I just rode through like a plume of cigarette smoke.
Yuck. All right. So what do you think? Are you comfortable?
Fun. Yeah, it's
Are you comfortable in that chair?
Yeah, it's very comfortable. It's fun. I like it.
Is it a little weird being the recumbent style with your pedals way out in front of you?
Yeah, you can definitely tell where like it definitely works your legs more because you have to put more into it.
All right.
So that would be like my only thing. Like I know it's probably supposed to be more of like a fitness bike, but like throttle or like a cadence sensor would be kind of nice.
Emma's not a huge fan of torque sensors because you got to put so much effort into it. She likes to kind of cruise along. But,
okay.
Yeah, you would think for
I get my workout at the gym, not on an e-bike.
Yeah, I hear you. You would think for the price that it would have a throttle or something.
Yeah.
But no, it's actually just a class 1 style e-bike with no throttle, just pedal only. So
it's fun. But for me personally, like it's not something that I could like take around like the block like 4 times or something. Like
yeah.
Because I can already like immediately like I could feel it like in my quads and I'm like great way if you want to like work out your legs.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
It's nice though.
Well, great.
It rides great. It's very comfortable.
Yeah. It could be yours.
I do get what you were saying about the I do get what you were saying about the it like takes a minute for it to kind of like kick in and like engage.
Yeah.
It kind of like the first like 2 it didn't even feel like it was doing anything almost.
I think it's programmed for like hill climbing and stuff because you'd want that lower gear ratio in order to be able to get up hills. Because in the documentation and on the website they talk about being able to make some adjustments to that.
Okay.
I don't know how they make that adjustment. It just refers you to take it back to the dealer and ask him, and the dealer will make those adjustments for you. But, yeah. Kind of hard to get in and out of, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's comfortable. It's nice.
Well, cool. Well, thanks for that review, Emma.
You're welcome.
All right. Guys, if you're interested, there'll be links down below.